Why do Chinese people travel on a stick instead of boats? Because one wrong move and you fall straight into the river. This ancient skill is called bamboo drifting, and it takes years to learn. Even standing still is difficult because the bamboo keeps spinning under your feet, and most beginners fall in before they can even stand properly. The hardest part is stepping onto the bamboo, since one small mistake makes the log roll like a wheel and throws you off instantly. But experts make it look effortless. They glide smoothly across the water, and some even perform martial arts moves while floating. The most surprising part is that a single bamboo log can carry over 330 pounds without sinking, which is why some villagers still use it instead of boats. No engine, no paddle, just balance and an ancient skill passed down for generations.